So very good turbo boost from the engine, and it doesn't get at all too loud, which is what most of the clientele for this car is going to be appreciative of. And I've got the adaptive cruise on now. And a very smooth ride, very smooth. And the adaptive cruise is slowing the vehicle down to keep that distance between myself and the car in front of me. And really good braking. Acceleration off the line is really good, especially for this car to have a twin turbo engine. Didn't have any skidding off the line or anything like that. And I definitely like the feel of the steering wheel. It feels really, really nice. Definitely doesn't feel cheap. And for the size of the car, the turning radius and all that measures up with how it should. And I'm still getting my back massaged here. And that definitely helps with the ride, especially if you're going to be in a lot of rush hour traffic like I am now. And brake pedal feel is really good. I said that already, but just for the size of this car, you don't feel like the car is getting away from you from not putting enough brake pressure on. And now we're just gonna put it in manual mode to merge on the interstate. Not gonna give it too much power though, because it's wet out. Yeah, that turbo pull is great. Right in that sweet spot between 2,000, 4,000 RPMs, you don't even have to shift. The turbos do all the work. So I've got the cruise on again. And even with these 20-inch wheels on, the ride is really smooth coming down the interstate. Car stopped by itself due to the full range cruise control. But as I'm pulling back in, that's going to be my review of the 2020 Lincoln Continental Reserve.